What's up YouTube, it's your boy J Beats back again with another tutorial. So I'll be doing like a private school or soulful type Amapiano. Yeah. So firstly let me try to find kick. Ski job pack, yeah, this one. 4 steps, normalize, turn down, yeah. Let me try like to find like a like a loop, like a private school type loop, private school type. Just trying to make something simple and straightforward. Yeah, this one will work, this one will do. Let me remove the kick. Let me add some things for variation so that it can sound unique. Now something like this. Let me put them on a mixer bus. Number 3. Put in some reverb. Cut out that low end on that. I think it's a kick or something. Yeah, let me remove it. Yeah, now it sounds clean. Yeah, just for the sake of not wasting time, let me use like scalar to make the chords. Yeah. A song genre, in fact, I need something house-ish. Yeah, okay. Nah, not this one. No, definitely this one. Definitely. Yeah, now it's dope now. Let's drag. We'll fix them like in I call that channel rack or something. Yeah. drag. Yeah, let me delete scalar and put a plugin of VST launch lizard. Yeah. Yeah, let me move this side to the other side, that other one to the other side. Copy that part. Sounds okay, but there are some parts that needs to be fixed. This one is too dark. The last one, let me remove it. Cut in the middle. What's the key of this? I think it's D sharp, major, D sharp major something. D sharp major. Yeah, it is D sharp major. Let me add like this tiny thingies just for sounds dope. Randomize, strum, then control B. EQ to remove the lows. Yeah, about that's dope. Let me add like some small things to side for variation. Yeah, some like this. Nice. It's something let me use what we call this start theme from Purity. Yeah, that sounds right. It's D sharp major, but those keys, all those things sounds right on C, on the root note. Not the root note, man, on C, because the root note is D sharp. It's kind of confusing, especially when you're working on a major scale. It's not like a minor. Yeah, it's kind of weird that way. Major and minor. At least I prefer minor because it's kind of simpler compared to major because of those things here. Just imagine your scale is in D sharp major, but your let's say your echo drops must be on C or something, on a different key. Yeah. Yeah, I need like a guitar or something. Let me choose. Yeah, I need a guitar. Guitar. The last one, the jazz guitar. Yes, this one sounds dope with the private school types. D sharp major. Yeah. Record. Dope. Let me quantize, strum, and randomize and do all those dope stuff. Yeah. When the velocities are high, especially on those guitars, they sound a little bit offish, but let me just turn them down. Alt X. Yeah, let me just use. Remove the lobes. Always remove the lobes from those things like pads, drums. Yeah, it must only be the kick and the log drum and the bass, which must occupy those or whatever you call them, those low frequencies. So make sure that the sounds are EQ'd well. If flute, follow the root notes or the bass line. Yeah, the bass line. Follow the bullet bass line. That's the right word to say. Bass line.